In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Performance Center in QuickBooks Online Advanced. The Performance Center gives you at-a-glance charts that turn your accounting data into actionable insights. And in this walkthrough, we'll add an expenses chart to your dashboard. To get started, sign into your company and look at the left navigation. Hover on Reports. Don't click yet. Just rest your mouse there so the related options appear. This makes it easy to jump straight to the tools you need without leaving your current workflow. Next, click Performance Center. This opens your Analytics Hub in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Think of it as your customizable command center where key metrics live. If you don't see this option, you may be using a different QuickBooks plan, or you might not have the right user permissions, so check with your admin. Inside the Performance Center, click Add New Chart. This is where you choose what you want to track. QuickBooks offers several templates, and you can tailor each one to match how you monitor your business. From the list, click Expenses. The expenses chart helps you visualize where money is going, spot trends, and quickly identify jumps in spending. It relies on the expense transactions you've already categorized, so accurate coding will give you the clearest picture. Click. Continue to move into the Setup screen. Here, you'll define how the chart appears on your dashboard, keeping it clear and helpful for anyone reviewing your numbers. Enter a name for the chart. Use a descriptive label so it's instantly recognizable, something like monthly operating expenses or marketing spend trend. Consistent naming conventions make your dashboard easier to scan and share. Now select the time period. Choose the range that best fits the decisions you're making. For short-term monitoring, the last 30 or 90 days can highlight immediate changes. For financial reviews, quarter to date or year to date is often more useful. If you want apples to apples comparisons, pick complete months or quarters to avoid partial period noise. When you're satisfied, click Add to Dashboard. Your new expenses chart is now pinned to the Performance Center. You can return here anytime to view it alongside your other metrics, rearrange your layout for priority visibility, and adjust filters as your needs evolve. Hover over points or bars to see exact values, and use the chart to prompt conversations about cost controls or budgeting. That's it. Your expenses chart is live in the Performance Center, giving you fast visual insight into spending. Thanks for watching, and keep building out your dashboard for a full picture of performance.